In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Wi-Fi settings on iPhone. We will walk through the key options so you can control how your phone connects. Start on your home screen and open the Settings app. Once Settings is open, you will see a long list of options like airplane mode, cellular, and so on. This is where all your connection and network controls live on your iPhone. Now tap Wi-Fi. On the Wi-Fi screen, you will see a switch at the top, and below it a list of available networks. Your current network appears at the top with a check mark on the left, showing that your iPhone is using it right now. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on by checking that the switch at the top is green. If it is gray, tap it once to turn it on. When Wi-Fi is on, the list of nearby networks updates and the Wi-Fi icon appears in the status bar at the top of the screen. Next, tap the Info button, the small blue circle with the letter I, next to the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. This opens the detailed settings page for that specific network. At the top, you will see the network name again, so you can confirm you are editing the right one. From here, you can change several settings. Auto join controls whether your iPhone connects to this network on its own when it is in range. Private Wi-Fi Address lets your iPhone use a different hardware address on this network, which helps prevent tracking across locations. Limit IP address tracking reduces how much your real address is exposed to trackers when you use this network. Configure IP, Configure DNS, and HTTP proxy let you fine-tune how your iPhone talks to the network, often used in offices or when a tech person gives you specific values. The exact options you see can change slightly depending on the network type and your iOS version. To forget a Wi-Fi network, go back to the main Wi-Fi list in Settings, then tap the Info button next to the network you want to remove. On that screen, tap Forget this network. A confirmation will appear, then tap Forget to confirm. The network disappears from your known networks, and your iPhone will not auto-join it anymore. To reconnect later, simply tap that network again in the Wi-Fi list and enter its password. After you type the password and join, the checkmark will appear next to the name, showing you are connected again. On newer iPhones, to change the private Wi-Fi address setting, go to Settings, then Wi-Fi, then tap the Info button and look for Private Wi-Fi Address. Here you may see options such as off, fixed, or rotating, depending on your iOS version. For stronger privacy on public networks, Apple recommends keeping a private address turned on when possible. To change DNS settings, go to Settings, then Wi-Fi, and tap the Info button next to your Wi-Fi network. Scroll until you see Configure DNS. Tap Configure DNS and choose Automatic or Manual. Automatic uses the DNS servers from your router. If you pick Manual, you can add the DNS server addresses you want to use, which is often done when you follow instructions from a trusted service. If your Wi-Fi is not working, you can try a full network reset. Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. A confirmation message explains that this removes your saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords and also resets cellular, VPN, and APN settings. Apple recommends using this only after other troubleshooting steps have not worked, because you will need to join Wi-Fi networks again afterward. You have now seen how to adjust Wi-Fi options, forget and reconnect networks, change privacy and DNS, and reset network settings when needed. If this helped you get your Wi-Fi behaving the way you want, please give the video a quick thumbs up, and if you like clear iPhone tips like this, feel free to subscribe.